What does the future of global currencies look like? Could we see a shift in the power dynamics of world reserve currencies? As we navigate through the labyrinth of financial trends and developments, one thing remains clear: the US dollar continues to reign supreme as the world's major reserve currency. Its dominance in global trade and finance is unparalleled, accounting for 96% of world trade in recent decades. But this isn't the whole story. A subplot is unfolding in the form of de-dollarization efforts by countries like Russia and China. They are trying to challenge the dollar's supremacy, albeit with significant obstacles in their path. Russia, for instance, grapples with an economy heavily tied to the dollar through its oil trade, making de-dollarization a Herculean task. China, on the other hand, has managed to boost the presence of its currency, the yuan, on the world stage. Despite this, it remains dwarfed by the dollar, holding a paltry 2% share in global trade. Moreover, China's capital controls on the yuan make it less attractive and less liquid than the US dollar, further complicating its bid for global currency dominance. As we probe deeper into the future of global currencies, one recent development stands out: the emergence of the BRICS currency proposal. Could the BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, be on the cusp of creating a new world reserve currency? In recent times, these nations have been making moves to establish their own reserve currency, seeking independence from the US dollar. The reasons for this move are varied, from a desire for greater economic autonomy to a strategic move to challenge the dominance of the dollar. China, for example, has been successful in increasing the presence of its yuan on the world stage. However, the dollar still accounts for a staggering 96% of world trade, dwarfing the yuan's 2% share. Russia's efforts to de-dollarize its economy have also been met with skepticism, with experts citing the country's heavy reliance on the dollar through its oil trade. Meanwhile, India is creating arrangements to settle foreign trade in rupees, eliminating the need for dollars. This involves Russian banks opening rupee accounts with Indian banks and vice versa. The goal? To create a stable reserve currency called BRICS bucks, independent of the US dollar. However, the road to creating a new reserve currency is fraught with challenges. Past attempts have typically failed, especially when partner nations have uneven economic footing. Furthermore, experts express doubt whether trading nations in the BRICS sphere would transfer valuable foreign exchange reserves into BRICS bucks. While it's too early to predict the success of the BRICS currency, it's clear that changes are afoot in the global currency landscape. As we witness these potential shifts in the currency power dynamics, we can't ignore the growing influence of digital currencies. These virtual forms of money, decentralized and often powered by blockchain technology, are stirring up traditional financial systems and could significantly disrupt global trade. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others have already made a splash, but we're only scratching the surface. The potential for digital currencies extends beyond individual use and can influence how nations trade and negotiate. That's not all. There's talk of gold-backed stable coins. Imagine the stability of gold, the time-tested store of wealth, combined with the versatility of digital currencies. It's a fascinating concept that could offer a multitude of advantages. For one, gold tokens may provide an edge over physical gold when it comes to provenance, especially in a world where the origin of gold can affect its trade status. Whether it's the rise of a new reserve currency or the advent of digital currencies, one thing is certain: the future of global currencies is set for a revolution.